Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to crop images using Python. Whether you're working on a personal project or automating image processing tasks, this guide will help you get started. Let's dive in. First, I've opened a new Jupyter notebook with a Python kernel. We'll be using the Python imaging library, also known as PIL, to handle image processing. Here, we import the image module from the PIL library to work with images, and the OS module to handle file paths and directories. Next, we need to specify the folder where our images are stored. Let's define the folder path. To make our script more efficient, we'll store the loaded images in a list. This step is optional, but it's useful if you want to keep the images in memory for further processing. Now, let's loop through the folder to find all the image files. We'll check for common image formats like PNG, JPG, and JPEG. This code checks each file in the folder. If the file is an image, it builds the full path and opens the image using PIL. Once the image is loaded, we can retrieve its width and height. This information is essential for defining the crop coordinates. Now, let's define the coordinates for cropping the image. We'll divide the image into 4 quadrants: top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. You can use any valid coordinates for crop the images. I am using 4 images in the 1 images, then I crop 1 into 4 using dividing the width and height. If we need to save cropped images into memory, let's create cropped images list. Next, we'll loop through the crop coordinates and crop the image accordingly. We'll also store the cropped images in a list. Here, we use the crop method to extract each quadrant and add it to the cropped images list. Before saving the cropped images, we need to extract the original file name without its extension. This will help us create unique file names for the cropped images. Here, we use OS path base name to get the file name from the full path and OS path splytext to remove the file extension. This ensures that the cropped images have meaningful names based on the original file. Finally, we'll save the cropped images with new file names. The original file name is combined with a quadrant number to create unique file names for each cropped image. This code saves each cropped image with a unique file name, preserving the original format. The original file name variable ensures that the cropped images are named logically. Let's run the code. You can see new cropped images are saving. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to crop images using Python. This script can be customized further to suit your specific needs. Feel free to experiment with different crop sizes and save locations.